Let's create a simple digital poster. Let's start from creating a letter-size canvas. Head at your layer panel. Then add a layer. Select your marquee and create a rectangular shape as shown on the screen. Then select your gradient tool and look for a shade of green. Repeat the process on the vertical rectangle. Double-click on the layer, then apply a shadow. Copy the layer style. Right-click on the layer with a shadow, then select Copy Layer Style. Similarly, right-click where you want to apply it, then paste layer style. Now, drag and drop an image for the vertical rectangle. Transform by pressing Ctrl-T on your keyboard. Apply a clipping mask. Right-click on the image, and then select Clipping Mask. Make sure that the image is on top of the rectangle. Then apply a multiply on the blending mode of the image. This allows to blend into your design. Then add another image for the background. Place at the back of your shapes and play with the opacity. Now, let's insert a sample logo at the bottom corner. Insert a text for the name of the school or company. Open your blending option, then apply shadow. Again, insert a text for the title of the poster. For my example, I will just copy and paste the content to make it faster. Then change the color of the text. Then transform the text size to make it bigger. Apply similar shadow by pasting it at the title. Then insert all the content of your design. Fast forward for this video. At the last part, I created a canvas-sized white rectangle and applied 60% opacity to fade the background airplane.